Hello, so now I'm gonna teach you how to make a picture in the text. First, open Photoscape. Then click Editor. Then Menu, New Photo. Then OK. Then add text. What text do I want to add? Wait. I'm gonna use the font Cherry. Download it at urbanfonts.com. It's too small. Wait. Use this, the name of Katrin. Katrin is a teen female star. She is super sikat. Okay. Then make it bigger. It's the outline thickness. Make it thick. Not really. Make it thick. Okay. Make it bigger. Mirror. There. Save it. Save as. Downloads. Katrin Bernardo. Then X. Then go to pixlr.com. Then open Pixlr Editor. Then open image from computer. The downloads, which is Katrin Bernardo. Then click the wand tool. Then click the lock thing here at the background 2 times. There. In the wand tool, click one by one text and delete. A, delete. T, delete. H, delete. R, delete. Y, delete. Oops. Let's undo. There. Y, delete. N, delete. B, delete. R, delete. N, delete. A, delete. R, delete. D, delete. O, delete. Okay. Then save it. Save as PNG transparent full quality. Then OK. Save it to Bernardo. Then X. Open Photoscape again. Then click page. Then click this kind. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 bucks. Okay. Open a picture. Open a picture and open it to all the boxes. Just one picture. This may take a long time. Not really. It's long. For easier, let's just just click editor. Don't need to do that. Then open a PNG. Oops, open up this one. Wait, let's go back to the page. Sorry, we have to continue this. Wait, I'm gonna go back to the editor. You can also use this and put object and then add the downloads and find the Catherine Bernardo PNG. Then just add it. You can also use the other one. There. What's that? But the picture is Ariana. It's okay. Then save it. Save it here, put to my creations, Ariana. Then go back to the page. You can finish it up. Finish it up if you want to. Wait, it's almost finished. Just 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Then click edit, then add Catherine Bernardo, the PNG. There. There you go. Then save it at my creations. Oops. One more thing. Font signs are not allowed to use already. Catherine Bernardo. No, not there. Thank you for watching my Sing It's 8 video. Okay. Thank you. Bye.